They did it. They finally freaking did it. Rockstar released the trailer to GTA 6 and it looks freaking fire. I reacted to it and everything, so I do have the reaction on my channel if you haven't gone to see it. But that's not what the hell we're here for. We're here because Rockstar released a brand new update with the Chop Shop. We got about a year left before we go to GTA 6, and I still have to cover a lot of businesses on GTA 5, so let's get right into it. Welcome back to the next installment of the 411, where I break down everything you need to know about the Chop Shop update and how to put more money in your bank account. Let's not dilly-dally and jump right into it. Head over to the foreclosure site and check out the salvage yards. The different options are all in the city, so the only benefit of the location is if you want them closer to your other businesses. I picked Marietta Heights at $2.4 million since my auto shop, arcade, and the freak shop are all nearby. I cover these in a separate video if you want to get started on those businesses as well. The trade rates will grant you a 50% discount on your insurance premium when your vehicles get destroyed. So if you find yourself always getting your cars destroyed, it's definitely worth the $450K price tag. The tow truck will give you access to the legit side of the tow truck business. The new truck will cost you $1.1 million, but is a faster car, and the old one will cost you $650K. If you plan on doing the tow services, I would say get the new one, but if not, you can make do with the older version. The wall safe will hold your towing income along with passive income, which maxes out at $250K, similar to the agency at a nightclub. At $750,000, it'll pay for itself after filling 3 times. And lastly, your staff. Similar to the auto shop, if you hire staff, you can work on more cars on your shop. More cars means more money for the low price of $625K. So fully equipping your shop will run you just under $5 million. Enjoy this fantastic cutscene with the iconic owner of the Golden Buzzard, Yusuf Amir, who is obviously in a zaddy phase. For the legit part of the business, you can take cars around San Andreas for the salvage part of your shop. You might notice that they added wildlife on the PS5 version, so enjoy it if you can. But it is simple as pick up the cars and deliver. The more you salvage, the more income goes into your safe. Now for the heist part. You will have to steal your choice of cars. The degree of difficulty will depend on the price of the car. They range from $260K all the way up to $395, rotating every few days. I like to think of these if the Diamond Casino heist and the auto shop had a beautiful love child and birthed these robberies. You do have to do the preps and setups, but they don't take nearly as enough time as the casino heist, and they do pay more than the auto shop ones. The setups also include tasks you will have to do, like pick up a set of tools or an outfit, depending on the job. Each finale does offer a different, unique experience that is refreshing and can be done solo, but will prove easier with a team. And my favorite part of the finale is the choice you get what to do with the car. You can either sell it for parts for your own salvage operation, which will fund your legit business at a lower price, or you can sell it to your big homie Yusuf for a premium for delivering them to the docks to ship to Liberty City. And last but not least, you can finally own your own police vehicle. Starting with a trade price of $2.9 million that can unlock by completing salvage robberies and other things like naturally escaping a wanted level is the best part of the update so far. I also really like the customization options you have for the vehicles. They are a bit pricey, but definitely worth it. And there you have it, a quick 4-in-1 of the Chop Shop update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe as I have more GTA content in the works. As always, this video was powered by Rogue Energy. Use code TOPNOTCH to save 10% off at checkout and support the channel as well. Thanks again for the recent support on the channel. As always, I'm Johnny B, and I'm out of here. Peace.